right, so breakfast doesn't have to be boring, they say. You could make it fun and creative. If you know what fun and creative in food mean. Well, executive chef, which means a big thing. Chef Dyce is back with us in the Smile Kitchen to show us just how we can do this. Morning, Virgin. Welcome again.
Morning, Neville. How are you?
We can't complain. Give thanks.
Been a minute, you know?
You good?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Good to see you. You don't have a physical space, but you train chefs and stuff, so?
Yeah, what we do now, we basically train chefs for different Airbnbs across the island. So I basically recruit chefs, send them off, get the contracts for different Airbnbs, different villas, stuff like that.
Okay, so you just teach now, you don't do it?
No, I personally cook, so I have to be, we have iron clients same way. So many persons know me as Celebrity Chef Dyce.
Yeah.
So many of my clients are either somewhere under the radar or somewhere above the radar and want that service, you understand?
Yeah, man.
So
what I just said, breakfast don't have to be boring. I did kind of know that, but when you can't cook like me, or you make it exciting.
No, I saw you cook something last week and it was very exciting.
Sure.
I
want to hear what the man said.
Yeah, it was very exciting.
I want to hear what the man said. All right, we done talk.
It was a good vibe because that is actually just a cinnamon bun.
This right here?
Yeah, it's simple, a cinnamon bun, and then I basically turned it into a waffle and then garnished up nice. So it's very cheap, but it's very presented.
It does look great. So what you gonna make?
All right, I'm gonna make something similar to what you made the other day, but I'm gonna make a green plantain sandwich using crackers, using eggs and cabbage. All right?
Green plantain sandwich.
Yes.
All right, now you have to talk me through it, but you have to write down whistle.
So watch what's going on now. So just have the heat there on the aisle.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just simply remove the yolk. From the egg real quick. Because we're just going to use the yolk. All right?
Why just the yolk?
Why just the yolk? Let's just say that's the part I want to use.
Well,
it's the look that I'm looking for.
Yeah.
But what I'll do with the white though, I'm going to add some cabbage to the white.
Yeah.
And I'm basically just going to season that. A little bit of pepper.
How long you been cooking? You have to go on. You have to go.
It's been over like 14 or 12 years.
So who got you into this? Why you wanted to do?
My grandmother. I used to basically live in the country with my grandmother.
Yeah.
Start cooking from a young age, really. At first it was just for fun. And then I moved to Chilani. And my mom basically sent me to culinary school. Oh. And the journey started there basically. From that I've been around some of the greatest chefs in the industry. And that's where I basically pick up majority of my trades.
Okay. So what is this now?
All right, so I add some saltfish to the cabbage, right? And I'm simply just gonna create a center to pour the yolk.
Okay. That's why you say like the look.
There we go. So it's like we're making back a cabbage saltfish burger, right? So we're just gonna add back the yolk now.
A cabbage saltfish burger.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and add some heat.
Yeah.
So we can quickly have it set, right?
Interested. How long something like, because you have to do some prepping before.
Yeah. So what I have here, basically I have some green plantains. I already got it crisp. And this is basically gonna replace the bread. So this is the sandwich, right?
Yeah. And you came up with this idea yourself?
Yeah. Ideas like this is very creative. You can be food. What I love about food, you can create anything, and that's the art and that's the beauty about it. Yeah. Food doesn't really have any rules, really, as long as you can be creative. You can use anything to make anything look perfectly.
No, well, you can.
No, you did it last week.
Well, I want to hear the man.
You did it last week, yeah.
I want to hear what the man saying, that he saw me cooking last week and I was creative.
Yeah.
And him say I'm doing something that him see me do.
Yeah.
I want to understand that, you know.
So that's why I came up with this idea, you know.
I want to hear it.
Because I saw you cut out the middle of the bread and then you add the sausage and then you add the egg. So I said, all right, I'm coming back with a style. Similar.
Chef Bellamy. Aye.
All right, we'll give that a quick flip.
That me can, you know.
I'm sure you can.
If never flip that man out the road, that drop.
So what's happening now, it's basically just getting that nice form that we need.
Yeah.
Right? I'm gonna go ahead now and add like a slice of cheese.
This is interesting. And it don't take too long.
It doesn't take long. It's a quick meal, right? And you can add as much cheese as you like. I like a double cheese.
You like a
Make it cheesy. Why not?
I don't know. No, you are cook, man.
Yeah, you know. So we add in some cheese there. And we add in some bacons to that.
Yeah, have me now.
We add in some bacons to that.
Yeah.
It's a very quick meal, easy to prepare.
And that's it basically?
That's it basically. That's our sandwich.
So you put it on top of
That's the idea.
when it's ready.
Yeah, I'm just
not ready yet.
letting it set because I didn't eat from morning, you know, so probably it's either this is gonna be my breakfast or your breakfast, you know.
It looked like it's your one. Yeah. That's interesting.
Alright, so I'm not gonna let it overcook, right? Then I basically now just had this.
And put the other one on top of it.
Is our sandwich.
Instead of bread.
Instead of bread, we use the plantains, right?
Yeah.
Add some sweetness. You can always add
Coconut that.
coconut flakes.
I know my thing, you know.
You know your thing. I mean, know you know your thing.
What else you adding now?
I'm gonna ask you, what's this? 'Cause remember, you know your thing, you know.
No. You show me up.
All right.
It don't look like you know is what, so.
No, it's some icing sugar.
I was just going to say sugar, but it did look kind of too thick for sugar still, so.
So there we go. And it's simple things that create some amazing experience, because that's what I basically focus on. Using simple ingredients to create amazing experience. Being a personal chef, that is something that you have to try to master, right? The art of cooking, basically, because you don't know what a person is going to like.
Yeah, and it have to look good, presentation is
Remember,
good.
persons eat with their eyes first.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Right?
Where can you be found if someone watching and watch it to come?
All right, you can basically check me out on Instagram, or you can even go Google and type in Dyce the Chef, and it's Dyce with a Y. If it's a I, it's not me.
DYCE.
So it's DYCE, and the D is DI Chef. So it's Dyce the Chef, right? Celebrity Chef, Dyce. All right? You can check me out on any platform.
Respect.
Bless up.
Yeah, man, and thanks. Have your breakfast.
Thank you.
Chef Dyce.
And I did the carving as well.
You did the carving?
Yeah, and if person need me to do any carving, you know, they can always contact
Hold
me.
on, but me just realized.
You just realized yourself was in the middle. Come on, man.
Me never see it.
You're joking.
So when you tell me, say, you don't understand the thing, man. You don't understand, so me is an international superstar.
You know, it was hard to find a face picture of you with just your face.
Where you find it?
No, I had to crop a picture because the suit, you ever sharpen the suit.
Respect, Reggie. Executive Chef, Dyce. After the break, fun stop. Eh? That not gone. Fun stop not gone yet? All right, we'll soon come.